So today we are going to learn how to add Naira sign to your Android phone.
But for example, if I want to send a mail to, let's say, academic technology, academic at gmail.com, and what we are talking about is money. So I will say the amount. Now I want to type the amount is 15 naira, but I cannot see that naira sign. Are you seeing it? So to add it, what you have to do is to open your Google Play Store. Look at this Gboard keyboard. Install it on your phone. Search for Gboard on your Google Play. Install it on your phone. It will take few minutes, sometimes up to 2-3 minutes just to install. So after installation, what you have to do is to open this keyboard. You open it. Enable in settings. Gboard. It will give you an alert. Just say OK. Select input method. Gboard. Say OK. Now add additional language. It's already giving me English UK. So I will add keyboard. I'll search for English. English Nigeria actually. I'll say done. That's English UK and English Nigeria. Then say done. Now when I go back to my email, and say the amount is 15 naira, notice I will not see anything, any naira sign here. But what I will do is to click on this English, and it will show me English Nigeria. I will choose English Nigeria. Once I choose English Nigeria, I will see this naira sign. So the amount is 15 naira. I can now send this to the person I'm sending it to. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.